Today we have an exceptional British sports car, the Jag V12 Roadster. This one happens to be one step above. It is a 7-liter conversion, and when I say it's got a lot of torque, I mean it's got a lot of torque. We've known it for many years. It is absolutely beautiful. It's in exceptional condition and really fun to drive as well. Okay, well, here's our cold start. It's been sitting outside for most of the day. So normally it would have Stromberg carburetors and we'd use the choke, but this has got individual throttle bodies and fuel injection, so it starts right up. Pretty cool. All right, so let's get on the road. Let's warm it up a little bit. We've known this E-Type for many years through a couple of owners. It has had an exceptional restoration. It has had only the best hands touch it, especially the engine, which was done by friends of ours in Texas. Can't really be duplicated for anywhere near our asking price. So it's a pretty special car. Exceptionally nice colors. Little faux wood veneer here, which was one of the past owners' requests. So as we warm it up, it is really docile around town. It is exceptional. It sounds like it's a Ferrari Daytona in a Jag body, and it goes like that as well. So it's a big 7-liter Jag engine punched out from a 5.3. Really cool. Everything's working. It's been serviced religiously. It's got power steering, which is wonderful. They're really a joy to drive around town because they're very easy. It's not your normal V12 Roadster. It has the best of the best. The engine turned center console, which is not original, but then again, neither is the veneer. Let's see. Oil pressure is great. Temperature is coming up. We're going to try and beat some of these rain clouds. Don't worry, you're no longer in England. You haven't been in England for years, have you? Okay, good times doing our videos in Long Island at the end of the day. Okay then. Let's get to the other side of the railroad tracks. You never really know which side we were on, but you know what I'm saying? And then we'll come back to you at operating temperatures on the curvaceous road, some flybys, and show you its might on the way back and its horsepower on the farm road, the FFR road. You know, the FFR road. Anyway, so we'll see you in a couple minutes. We're going to hit the farm road in the start of the road test direction, just so we can go through, show how it cruises before we get to the curvaceous road. So, I think I finally lost it. Anyway, as you can see, it cruises around town effortlessly and quite nicely. Let's turn the side lights on, side markers, because it's dusk. onto the curvaceous road. They are great cars. They're even better when they're sorted like this one. They did have their moments when they were new, but with all of the updates over the years, they can be made to be exceptionally reliable, fun to use. They can sit in traffic, they don't overheat, especially when it has an aluminum radiator upgrade like this. This one sounds great from the outside, which you will actually see in a couple of moments. And let Jack out. Thank you, Jack. Well, headlights on, flyby is over. Fabuloso. Really cool, set up really well. It did break away under acceleration on the first flyby or the first acceleration run, but it tells you which direction it's going. It's not going to harm you. It is just a special V12 E-Type. How do you say? It's been massaged. Just a little massage. But absolutely exceptional in every way. We'll get to the farm road here, go through the gears, get on it a little bit, and bring her home. It's wind in the hair, passionate horsepower, sexy horsepower. You can drive it around town and see everything. And as you see, fourth gear, you could cruise all day as we did when we were warming it up. But if you want to go, and this is third gear, there's no reason to even go to second. Third gear. Is Ferrari Daytona horsepower in a Jaguar. It is really, really cool. Really special. Again, sounds great, tracks really well, brakes really well. It is special with a capital S. So, we welcome any questions you may have. It's available. So, thank you again for watching. We're going to take it back, clean it up, and put it in the showroom. See ya.